One mistake. That's all it takes to change someone's life forever. Watch what happens here. One of the biggest lessons I've learned after more than 35 years on the road is this. Every road user is human. Every one of us can make a mistake. Right here, another driver enters the roundabout the wrong way. It could happen to any of us. The question isn't whether people will make mistakes. They will. The real question is, have you left yourself enough space to deal with them? Because my student wasn't driving into a space they couldn't escape from, because they were constantly asking the road what it was telling them. They had options. At Panache Driver Training, we teach drivers to control their space. That means maintaining a minimum 3-second gap, driving to the conditions, looking well ahead, and always asking yourself one simple question. If something goes wrong right now, where is my escape route? Road safety isn't about proving you're right, it's about making sure everybody gets home. You can't stop other people making mistakes, but by controlling your space, you can often avoid becoming part of theirs.